How to turn off info logging in Spark? I installed Spark using the AWS EC2 guide, and I can launch the program fine using the bin/pyspark script to get to the Spark prompt, and can also do the quick start key successfully. However, I cannot for the life of me figure out how to stop all of the verbose info logging after each command. I have tried nearly every possible scenario in the below code, commenting out, setting to off, within my log4j.properties file in the conference folder, and where I launched the application from, as well as on each node, and nothing is doing anything. I still get the logging info statements printing after executing each statement. I am very confused with how this is supposed to work. Here is my full class path when I use spark_print_launch_ command.
Just execute this command in the Spark directory. Edit log4j.properties. Replace at the first line. By. Save and restart your shell. It works for me for Spark 1.1.0 and Spark 1.5.1 on OS X. In Spark 2.0 you can also configure it dynamically for your application using setLogLevel. In the pyspark console, a default Spark session will already be available.
Inspired by the pyspark/tests.py I did. Calling this just after creating Spark context reduced stair lines logged from my test from 2647 to 163. However, creating the Spark context itself logs 163, up to. And it's not clear to me how to adjust those programmatically.
Edit your conference/log4j.properties file and change the following line. 2. Another approach would be to fire up Spark shell and type in the following. You won't see any logs after that.